All right, hello class. I'm Gus, obviously, and these are my track changes for Lauren's paper, which is about reader response criticism. So first thing I did, as you can see, I deleted the word even because it says, however, isn't even one, and it seemed repetitive to me. Um, I also this is in the entire article. Actually, before I start, the paper followed the prompts in all the right ways. All I found was like small grammatical or MLA in text citations errors. It was either like grammar or spelling, but other than that, the paper was followed the prompt perfectly. As I said, having even there is too repetitive. The in-text citations, I noticed throughout the entire paper, the actual parentheses was outside of the sentence when it's supposed to be inside of the sentence before the period, like right before the end. So I only made that comment at the top, but it's throughout the entire paper. Um, Next thing I had was getting rid of the word "it" at the end of the sentence and replaced it with understanding the text. I think it just helps the paper go more smoothly. Ending a sentence with the word "it" is usually not the best. But it did take me a little bit to find words to fit, so I could see why she might have just put "it" instead of anything else. Um, Next was if I had a greater knowledge of Christianity and its history, I might have understood it more clearly. I put more clearly instead of better, just because grammar wise, it sounds better and it flows better with the paper. Um, Next was a spelling. I'm sure it was just you were typing too fast. It was UN instead of in. Um, And then I noticed here for the goal to examine rather than argue the topic, Kortner 198, you had the citations after the sentence, but then your first word of the next sentence wasn't capitalized. So I said to capitalize the H, obviously, and put a comma there. Just again, so it's smooth. It's more smooth. Um, the sentence structure is better. Um, and then another like small spelling error. I'm sure you were just typing too fast. There was one right here also. I didn't even realize that. Um, but yeah, changes obviously. I'll add that right now. Um, Again, spelling. It was. I'm sure you were just typing fast. It's not really anything to worry about. It was just stuff that I noticed. Um, Added a comma at the beginning of the introduction. Again, just sentence structure makes it sound more smoothly. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. It was a great paper. It followed the prompt perfectly. Um, the MLA format was good. You had the correct like introduction, all that stuff. You had the work cited in the right place, which is really good. But yeah, hope you guys have a good weekend.